Namaskar, do you know the correct uses of concerning or with regard to or as far as this is concerned? So whether the use of concerning here in this sentence is wrong or right. Concerning your accommodation, there are several possibilities. So when we start a new topic, when we start a sentence, use of concerning is wrong. Here we can use with regard to or as regards your accommodation, with regard to your accommodation or regarding your accommodation. So when we have to start a new sentence or we have to start a new topic, it is always advisable to use with regard to, as far as, so far as, regarding, rather than concerning. The use of concerning in the starting of the sentence is wrong. However, concerning as a preposition can be used in between the sentence. For example, he was asked many questions concerning his bank account transaction. So here the use of concerning means regarding his bank account transaction. So in between as a preposition, the use of concerning is correct. However, in the starting of the sentence or when we introduce a new topic, the use of concerning is wrong. Use wisely. Thank you so much. Follow for more videos.